Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to learn coding with Gemini. So guys, for that go to your Gemini and guys, now right here, how can I learn coding, and send it to Gemini. Then hold just a second and then Gemini will give you the answer and all the example ideas that you can learn coding using Gemini. So here all the things are for a beginnings guide, you can see. So you can get a lot of ideas from here, and you can see also a YouTube. If you want to see, then you can press and go, then it will make you very clear. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.